Hi everyone, it's Gail from Ladyfinger Sewing. We got in a fabulous shipment. Maddie is just as excited about about this as we are. This is from Robert Kaufman and it is the Artisan Batiks but from Lund Studio. There's two groups here. One is called Kasori and the other one is Moodscapes. And I want you to really appreciate the rich, gorgeous colors in blues and pink and burgundy. And a gold and a really pretty lavender. So I'm going to go through the bolts so that you can see them up close and personal. And of course these are available now in the store at Ladyfinger Sewing and of course on our website. So let's get started. This one is Moodscapes and this is a beautiful multicolored chop. This one is color multi and the number is 205 multi. Next, also Moodscapes, and isn't this pretty? Beautiful little discs with stars in them, almost look like hex signs to me. And this is Moodscapes in Coral, and the color number is 143. I have a funny little feeling we'll be doing fat quarter bundles of these, so if you're interested, it's probably a good idea to get your dibbies in soon because we do sell out of these fabrics quickly. This is Moodscapes and the color is 97 Rose. It's a really pretty spot and would blend with just about every project in every style. Next is Moodscapes. This is a nice blender Moodscapes. This one is a tone on tone, looks like the ocean, doesn't it? And this, well, hello, this is ocean and the color I believe is number 59. Many of you love a dark background or a dark accent color in your projects, and this one doesn't disappoint. This is a super inky, dark, rich, royal navy blue, and this is the Kasori line, and the color is indigo. It's absolutely gorgeous. Looks, if you wanted to do a night sky or just have a really dark accent, this is the one. Next in Kasori, this one is number 4 blue. So another real moody blender that goes from high and low in indigo. And the color, that, again, is Kasori in blue. I really enjoyed the blue colors in this collection, and this is another one I really like. It's a nice dotty vine. It almost has an Aboriginal feel to it, but it is a batik. And this is Kasori, and the color is denim. Back to Moodscapes. Here's a really pretty ocean color with a little bit of almost purple and almost teal in there. Really nice circular chop. And this one is called Ocean, and this is Moodscape. Back to Kasori. Really gorgeous indigo, and in that viney chop, again, it almost looks like an Aboriginal motif, but it's not. And this one is indigo in Kasori. And where was I? Next, a really pretty berry color, I'll say. They're calling it Scarlet. There's a little bit of burgundy pink, almost red violet, super good and rich. And this color is Scarlet from Moodscapes. Next, also Moodscapes. This one is called Bluegrass. I love it. It has the rosettes on it, but they're so blended in that it just adds a really pretty texture. Really, really nice and rich. Another Kasori in a beautiful navy, and this is a tone on tone. So it's like a blender, not really a chop on it. Nice dyed look. And this is Kasori in indigo, number 62. Next in Moodscapes. Here's a really pretty circular print. I really like this one a lot. This one is teal, so it's blue, but it also has a bit of green in it. It's a really nice, kind of a peacock color. Really, really pretty. And Moodscapes, here's a beautiful pink. Nice, bright, happy, summery pink in fuchsia. Next in Kasori, here's a really pretty vine. what is that, Pathos? I'm not sure what the leaf is. You'll tell me though, I'm sure. Say something in the comments. But this is Kasori. This is number 62 in Indigo. Really, really nice. And dots are in. Who doesn't love a cute little dot? This is just adorable Kasori in denim, a light denim. And next, this is Hidden Valley. So we're still receiving some Hidden Valley strays. This one is in turquoise, so this is a pretty, like a ferny leaf motif, really nice, and it blends teal and purple beautifully. Really, really good stuff. And for a light background or a light accent, also Watercolor Blossoms. So these come straggling in. I bought a lot of them, and this color is lilac. Now, I think this would make a great fabric for a bag. Just wonderful. Watercolor Blossoms, and the color is Jewel. So you have all these beautiful jewel colors blended together. Note the movement in this fabric. It just dances. It's really great. And Kasori, I like this one a lot. This one has little dots that form a pattern, but not really. So you can just be very carefree in how you chop it up. And this is Kasori in blue. Next, we have a wonderful, vibrant, rich burgundy color with kind of mango and pink accents on it. This is really pretty. Goes with a lot of other things, doesn't it? Look at here with Kaufman. So this one is Moodscapes, and the color is burgundy. Another Moodscapes, really pretty pink with the floral motif on it, and the color here is fuchsia. And Moodscapes in a lovely, lovely, sunshiny, citrusy yellow and orange, and they are calling this Poppy. A few more left. There's this great dotted motif I like so much, and this is Kasori, and the color is navy. Another blender in Kasori. This looks like clouds, like a just starting to get cloudy kind of a sky look, and it is called Sky. Really pretty. Two more. Kasori in the happy dot. I'll call it a happy dot because I can. And this color is navy, nice and rich. And speaking of rich, this is also the same dot, but because of the way it's been dyed, look how absolutely it glows. It's so dark, it absolutely glows with the inkiness. And this is called Indigo. So I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing, and I hope that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss anything. And by all means, sign up for our email newsletter so you know all the latest happenings at Ladyfingers, and also like us on our Facebook page too. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.